Hello and welcome to Learning Angular for Django developers. My name is Vitaly Kucheryawy and I'm gonna be your instructor for the next few hours. A little bit about myself. I'm 33 and I'm a software developer for half of my life. I work with various languages and frameworks, and for the last 6-7 years I mainly work with Python and Django on web applications. In this course you're going to learn about Angular. And more specifically, this course is for Django developers who want to add Angular to their projects. Why Angular? Well, Django is very powerful, but when it comes to UI and interactivity, it's not enough. And I think it's perfect time to start learning Angular because it got stable and gaining popularity. I actually work with all three frameworks that is currently popular. And what I like about Angular is rules and library it defines. So that developer usually have to pick only one way how to implement a feature, and Angular may even have this included in its code base. Also, we will use TypeScript in our code, but don't worry if you never worked with it. If you know JavaScript, you can write with TypeScript. And a note if you never worked with modern JavaScript. Before we start, just take a brief overview of its features, like arrow functions, block variables, classes and modules. You can check this website to compare ES5 to ES6 language differences. So basically your requirements for this course are knowledge and practical use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python and Django. And also a bit of ES6 overview I mentioned. During the course we will develop a car dealer SPA application to configure and order some abstract car model. We will have the following sections. First, we will install all the tools and we will create our first components and see how to bind data. Then we will implement business logic on the front end. Our application will have wizard with multiple steps and each step will cover some specific topic or problem solving. In the third section, we will prepare our Django backend with REST API and we will learn how to transfer TypeScript data structure to Django models. And finally, we will deploy our app to production server and we'll learn all the key points for preparation. Alright, let's get started and I hope you'll enjoy it.